Today we're in beautiful Ballymoney in County Wexford and we're going on a nature walk and down to the beach, so come along. We are at Seafield Resort and the sea is just over there. We've kind of parked in the car park and we're just going to walk through and find the beach, Ballymoney Beach. So just follow signs to the beach walk and we just follow the pathway till we get to the beach, I guess. So that's the Seafield Resort Hotel, their holiday homes, and this is the golf course here. And we're still on the walk to the beach. It's just so pretty, the walk along here. What a nice little nature walk. We just saw a squirrel but we missed it. I missed getting it on camera. Like cute little toadstools. You never know what you find in this little walk. It's Toadstool Alley. Bit of a stretch, it's just 3 little toadstools there, but they're cute nonetheless. What a lush little forest to walk through. There is the pretty little brook running through it. Very picturesque. Love the calm and peaceful nature sounds. It looks like we've made it to the beach. Boys can't wait to see the sea. And we made it down to the beach. A bit pebbly, a bit sandy over there. What a lovely day. My boys just adore throwing pebbles in the water. So there's actually 2 beaches at Ballymoney. Kind of just left the one and we're walking towards the other one, which is just over there. You can just spend ages down here exploring all the different parts of the beaches. Some pretty fascinating looking rocks on the beach. Pebble beach and rocks and sounds of the ocean. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.